So a higher climate emissions toward net zero is gaining a momentum globally to avoid severe climate impacts, and with the goal of limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees or even below 1.5 degrees. The countries have agreed to submit new and increasing ambitions there in DC. However, it may not in line yet with the Paris temperature limits. So in Southeast Asia, we are currently discussing the net zero targets. Of course, the countries are at different stage in formulating their climate goal with their long-term energy strategy and balancing with their economic development plans. And when we are stating about the advancing energy transitions, so it implies to transform our energy systems to become decarbonized, let's say fully decarbonized or partially, majorly decarbonized in future. So however, to accelerate the energy transitions is probably require several enablers to create and ensure the sustainable developments, and especially in Southeast Asia. And I think the first component is talking about the emerging technology. So when we are talking about the energy transitions, so solar and wind, it seems to be the champions because of its significant technology cost reductions in the past few years, and also it likely to be continued in future. However, its nature that it's created intermittent and inconsistent power generations, which require the new technologies to accommodate this new inconsistent power generation. For example, energy storage, battery, and also the hydrogen technology, it seems to be will play a significant role in future. So there are the case study in several countries in the past year that when we increase more share of renewable energy in the power system, sometimes it can create the curtailments, especially in the daytime. So in order to reduce the curtailments and ensure the consistent power system, in overall, so it may require some new breakthrough technology like hydrogens to convert the excess electricity into the other form of energy like hydrogens. And this hydrogen can be used either in storage and can be used later when a lower generation from the, these variable renewable energy technology like at nighttime, or it can be used in the heat for the industrial sector as well. So this emerging technology can play a significant role in future when we are talking the energy transition. And apart from renewable energy, also the retrofit technology in terms of ramp down and ramp up and regenerate the conventional power plants will also be significant to create the flexibility, which is going to be the new paradigms to manage the higher VRE shares in future. And also the second component is we'll focus on the policy and also the long-term plan to facilitate the decarbonized energy system. For example, the liberalizations of the market and also the power market design can create the higher demand flexibility to the system and stimulate the growth of renewable energy developer in the regions. And I think in Agora and also in the CASE project, we also aims to produce the evidence-based study and also the quality data to support the policymaker in order to decide the appropriate policy in these to accelerate energy transitions. And the other component is will go play around the balancing between socioeconomics, like affordability and accessibility. So we have to ensure that when we are saying about the accelerate energy transitions, is not affect significant cost or the tariff cost change to the people, to ensure that the lower carbon system will bring still the affordable price to the people and also the accessibility, because in Southeast Asia, there are millions of people who are still not able to access to the clean energy source. And just to make sure that the energy transition can go parallel with the increase the accessibility to millions of people in the regions. Apart from that, the energy transition is also will touch upon the fair shares and also the financial support between developed and developing countries. And the last one, I think when we are talking about energy transition, will go around the requirement of well coordination between different stakeholders, energy and also non-energy stakeholder, to ensure that the long-term plan will be integrated and we can create the sustainable development plans together. Thank you.